Alright, so what we're doing here is we're doing angle addition postulate. Alright, I got a need. Oh well. So how this works is just like the segment addition. Segment addition, we had AB plus BC. This is AB. This is BC. I take two little sticks and I add them to make the big stick AC. Well, in this one, we have two little angles, M and P. Alright, M and P. And P and Q, alright, and we may add two little angles to make one big angle. These two little angles are called adjacent angles. They have a common vertex and a common side. The vertex is the center, alright, the vertex is where they all come together, alright, and so N is the vertex, and these two angles, these two smaller angles are called adjacent. They share this line right here, which is actually called a ray. A ray is, from section 1, a ray starts at one point and extends all the way in one direction forever. You can see they start at this one point called the vertex and extends out forever. So we are adding two adjacent angles. The definitions from your homework will also be shown here. Alright, but ray, angle, which is made up of two rays, the vertex, the center where those two rays are, and adjacent angles are where we're going to deal with. Acute angle is less than 90, right angle is equal to 90, obtuse is greater than 90, a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. It's just a line, right? We're going to see a couple of those problems right now. So what I want to do is I want to add these two smaller angles. These two smaller angles, they add to make ABC, which is 47. ABC is 47 degrees. Alright, it's an acute angle because it's less than 90. So I am going to type in 4x minus 2, 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. And that is equal to, so 4x minus 2, 3x plus 2, that is equal to 47. Alright, so now I'm going to take that and cut that out and put it over on decimals. Alright, decided different class, and I got control V. And all of a sudden there's my vertical line, 6.714, which is 6.7. 1 does not round 7 up. So there we go. Again, this 1 does not round 7 up, so it's 6.7. Now, which angle am I looking for? I am looking for CBD. CBD. That's this angle right here, 3x plus 2. So just like the segments, I want this one right here, so x is 6.7. So 3 times x, so times 6.7, that's shift 8 times 6.7 plus 2. And my answer is 22.1, and Canvas said put it in decimal, 22.1. That's it. Let's do another. Oh, this is a straight angle. That's a straight line. Alright, it is 180 degrees. PRQ is 4x minus 4. Let's do that. Control copy. Control V. Plus QRS, which is 3x plus 2. Control copy. Control V as paste. Equals 180. Always equals 180 when it's a straight line. Alright, always 180. So then I copy this out, control cut it, control X, cut that out, go over here, get rid of this, let decimals do the solving, control V, and there it is right there. 26. Nice little integer. That's coincidence. Alright, so I type in 26, so I'll have to go over here every time. And now I got to figure out which one I'm looking for. Am I looking for PRQ or am I looking for QRS? And it is QRS, so 3x plus 2. So I go over here and I say 3 shift 8, that's times 26 plus 2. And I have 80. Alright, 80. So it says put in decimal, so I need to put in 80.0. Remember, Canvas either takes integers or decimals. The instructions are decimal, therefore I cannot, I repeat, cannot put it in integer. It'll be wrong. Alright, so now we got the same thing as the first one, except this was an acute. This one is an obtuse. So I have 4x minus 8 plus 3x plus 8. And that is equal to 125. Alright. So again, this smaller angle, which is adjacent to this small angle, adds to the bigger angle, alright, which is an obtuse. Control copy, or control cut, control X. This out, this out, this out, control V. And there's my answer right there, 17.857. Now, let's put this down. 17.857. Alright, so let's talk about this. Alright, here we go. 7 rounds that up to a 6, so 17.86. At 6 rounds that 8 up to a 9, so 17.9 is what I'm going to plug in. Alright, so that's why that works. Really the 5 would have rounded that up to a 9, but still want to work. Which one am I going to put it into? This binomial or this binomial? Binomial is 2 terms. Alright, here's a binomial and here's a binomial. I'm looking for ABD. ABD. It's going into this expression, this binomial, ABD, 4x minus 8. So I type in 4, but not x, times 17.9. Understand, any 3 of these answers would work. This would be your best one, but I told you that you don't have to. You can just put in tenths. 63.6 is the answer. So that's what we're doing here. Alright, and the rest of it is like segment addition postulates, and they're equal to each other, whatnot. Those are in previous videos. Alright, this one's already 7 minutes, 30 seconds, so if you need to look at that, go to previous videos. Thank you.